Goedemorgen from beautiful Amersfoort, a city that's just a short train ride away from Utrecht, which is where we were in yesterday's video. In today's video, we're going to be exploring some medieval structures, having a 3-course vegan dinner, and searching for a few sweet treats that you can only find here in Amersfoort. Let's get going.
You guys, we weren't planning on vlogging yet, but we're in Amersfoort and we just walked into the city center and it is gorgeous.
It's so beautiful
Yeah.
here. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is gorgeous.
It's really nice. I'll overlay what we're looking at right now on the screen so you can get an idea of what we're seeing. This is literally our first impressions of the city.
Yeah.
And if this is what we've seen so far, I'm really excited to see what the rest of the day is going to bring.
It's only going to get better. We're starting off our morning with a little bit of breakfast at Juffrow Jacoba, and they specialize in crepes and galettes, which we haven't had since we were in Paris. First up, we got a crepe. It is suiker and cannelle, cinnamon sugar. Look at this little pat of butter. It came on the spoon, so it doesn't make your crepe soggy. And over here, we got a galette, which is speck and kaas, ham and cheese, with a little salad.
That was a very good meal.
That was great.
Very good meal. We have been very impressed with Amersfoort so far. We
And
got
we've
here.
only been here like an hour.
I know. And we arrived here from Utrecht yesterday. We stayed overnight, and Amersfoort is technically in Utrecht. It's in the province of Utrecht, not the city of Utrecht. So it was a little 10-minute journey over to Amersfoort this morning.
Very easy.
Very easy. But for now, I don't know. We're just going to explore the city a little bit. And we got crepes and galettes inside of us.
Yeah.
And we're excited to see what we see.
We're inside the Tower of Our Lady to look at the old center point of the Netherlands. So this is based on the old Dutch grid system, I think from 1885. And the center point has moved just a little bit, I think southwest of here since then. But it's really, really cool that you can actually see the image inside of it. The building that we're inside of is the 3rd tallest tower in the Netherlands. And it used to have a church attached to it, but that was destroyed in a gunpowder explosion in the 18th century. Which one should I wear for King's Day? This is House Tinnenburg, which is one of the oldest buildings in the city, and it was actually a part of the wall that went around the entire city of Amersfoort, and you can actually still see remnants of the wall along the side of the building. We are at Monnikendam, which is a part of the city wall that was built in the 1400s. Also, there's a restaurant underneath. There's a damn restaurant. For lunch, we're heading to a Mexican spot in the city center. We've heard it's really good. We're not sure if it's a chain or if it's local.
We're not actually going to Taco Bell.
I mean, it's good.
Today. Today. Wink.
And this one could be easily missed if you're not looking for it, but this beautiful chandelier was hung up here in 2010, and it's a piece of art by Catherine Schlegel. We're taking a little break, and we've stopped by Livingstone Coffee, which is a nice little cozy spot. It's actually kind of warm outside, so we're sitting outside.
She says wearing a winter coat.
I mean, it feels pretty good.
And it's not raining.
Yeah, and it's not raining. I guess that's probably like the real differentiator. After we finish our coffee, we're gonna go on the hunt for a couple of treats that you can only find here in Amersfoort.
All right, y'all, it's been a long day and I have to pee. And you know what that means. It's time to use one of the famous Dutch urinals.
We stopped by Gula delicatessen, where they specialize in bonbons, particularly a bonbon with the design of famous Dutch artist Piet Mondrian. It's the tableau design that you'll see also throughout the city. They actually released these bonbons for a one-week celebration of the artist, and they were so popular they decided to keep them year-round. It's not just a chocolate flavor. There's like, it tastes like a good Tootsie Roll.
Oh.
I'm not sure if that's gonna like
Kind of an
translate well
offensive
here.
thing, I think, yeah.
Yeah, sorry. It's really good. It kind of tastes like there's a fruit or something in it, right?
There is.
Yeah.
There's like a citrus or like an herbaceous thing.
Yeah, there's something
There's
else.
something else in the chocolate. It just makes it taste a little more unique. Not any, still tastes like chocolate.
Yeah.
Very good. Refreshing.
Yeah.
Is that weird?
Is
Is that a weird thing to say?
It's a really delicious bonbon, and not like I could eat 3 more of them.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of light.
Yeah. Good job, Amersfoort.
We made our way just outside the city center to Confectionary de Jong, and we got Amersfoortse keitjes, which are special cookies that apparently you can only find in Amersfoort.
Another treat for the train ride home.
In my research, these are made with almond and cinnamon, and they're in the shape of little cobblestones, like what you might see on the street when you're walking around. They smell very buttery. I don't taste any cinnamon. I don't think there's cinnamon in them. It's like a
Butter cookie.
butter cookie with little bits of almond in it.
You can really love some tea.
Oh yeah. This is good.
All right, there's one stop left for us today in Amersfoort, and it's on our journey to stop eating so much garbage on the vlog. We're getting vegan food tonight. All right, we'll see you at the restaurant.
The place we're getting dinner at is located in Nieuwe Stad, which means the new city, and it's an area that is a part of a renovated toothpaste factory, and a lot of the new tenants are entrepreneurs and makers and chickens. Free chickens. For early dinner, we're going to Het Lokaal, and it's very early, so I'm not sure we're going to be able to get the 3-course vegan meal that we wanted, but we'll see. Also, Het Lokaal is not just a restaurant, it's also a coffee roastery and a grocery store.
That's where the coffee smells
I think so. We've been smelling roasted coffee beans the entire time we've been here, and we're wondering where it's coming from. It's very strong over here. I think it's this place.
They have the IPA that I got at Hook Van Holland.
They don't have dinner yet
Because it's 3 o'clock.
because it's 3 o'clock.
3:30.
They don't have lunch and they don't have dinner. We're in the in-between time, but they do have a tasty little snack mix that we ordered, and we are hungry.
It's a little vegan and a little not vegan.
Yeah,
A little something for everybody.
a nice mix.
Yeah.
Snack mix.
Okay, so while we're waiting for our food, this is important. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Marry, kill. Or can we say that? Boink, marry, kill. Maastricht, Amersfoort, Amsterdam.
Okay. I would boink Maastricht because it's a great city. It's just kind of hard to get to, you know? And I would kill Amsterdam. I'm not sure I need to explain why. And I would marry Amersfoort.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a great city.
All right.
I love it.
Oh boy.
It's yours.
Our brown plate Our beautiful Dutch snacks. Some are vegan, some are not.
We don't know what is what. Actually, I have a good idea.
Yeah, I have a pretty good idea too. The bitterballen might be harder to tell the difference. One bitterballen is made with mushrooms and one is made with beef.
I'm gonna do this first.
Cheese. Bitterballen?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think? Mushroom or beef?
Beef.
Okay. What if you can't tell the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
I might not be able to.
I mean, that's a sign of a good vegan food, right?
Okay, I'm gonna try one of the other ones
Okay.
to see if I can tell the difference. I'm not gonna say they both taste exactly the same, but I can't tell which one's the.
Okay. All right, I think I'm gonna go after the cheese stick and give that a try. It looks like they're like lumpia style. They're like spring roll style. Well, they are hot. What should I dip this in? Probably nothing. It's just cheese, right?
Yeah, just do the naked
is-
cheese. Be careful.
Whoa!
Can I see the inside? Nothing.
It's like a mozzarella stick with a spring roll wrapped around it.
Ooh.
Oh man, yum. It's a cheesy cheese too. Wow, this is. I'll take like 20 of these. Whoa. All right. Now that we've had all the things, the mushroom bitterballen, the beef bitterballen, the cheese sticks, and the falafel. Boink, marry, kill. I know it's stretching the rules of the game a little bit, but
Yeah. Okay. I didn't eat the cheese one. Okay, I'm gonna kill the beef bitterballen because it just didn't have enough like meat in it. It was a little like light on taste.
yeah, the mushroom one had a lot more flavor.
Yeah. I'm gonna this mushroom one because
Boink.
I'm gonna boink this mushroom one because it is a snack. It is
Literally a
tasty
snack.
And then I would marry the falafel because I think it's like healthy fried food. You know?
Sure. I don't know if is any fried food actually healthy?
You tell us. Is this healthy?
This is it. It's time to finish our drinks. Head back to old Amersfoort Station, Amersfoort Central.
I'm sad to leave.
I know, me too. I think we'll definitely have to come back.
Yeah, we will.
All right, well, that about wraps up our time here in Amersfoort.
What a great city.
It was a really great city.
Yeah, I think some of my favorite videos are the ones where we're visiting cities that we had never heard of before we moved to the Netherlands.
Yeah, we had never heard of Amersfoort before, but honestly, I'm really glad we do now. Great city. I also want to shout out to Mark, Arnold, and Kuller, who were very welcoming and friendly to us at the chocolate shop. And I mean, everyone in Amersfoort is just super welcoming to that.
Very friendly
It's
city.
a very friendly city.
Yeah.
I also want to thank you for giving us all the great suggestions of cities that we should visit in the Netherlands. It's really helped narrow stuff down for us, and we hope that we're going to make it to
All of them?
all of them, many of them,
Most of them.
many of them this year. We'll see.
Yeah.
Definitely most of them.
Yeah, I hope so.
I mean, we just knocked 2 more off the list.
I think that's it.
I think that's it. I think this officially ends our time in Amersfoort. We're headed back to Rotterdam.
Yep. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Doei.
The Dewey.